In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Docusign a Google document in a simple and efficient way. This process is perfect for seamlessly adding electronic signatures to your Google Docs with just a few steps. Let's dive in and make it easy for you to get those documents signed. First, open your web browser and head over to the Docusign website. Docusign is an industry leader in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, making it a reliable choice for handling your document signing needs. Once you get there, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one to proceed. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage. From here, locate the Agreements section and click on it. This area is where you will manage your documents and agreements. Next, you'll see an option to Start Now, which you should click to initiate the process of setting up your document for signing. Once you've clicked Start Now, you're going to upload the Google document you wish to have signed. Click on the Upload button, which will allow you to choose the file you want from your desktop. Make sure your Google document is saved on your computer, as you'll need to access it directly from here. After selecting your document, it's time to add some details. You'll be prompted to provide necessary information such as the names of the signers, and you might want to include any additional notes or instructions for them. With all the pertinent details filled in, look for the Next button and give it a click. You're entering the stage where you can customize how you want to format your document before sending it out. The next step involves adding a signature field to your document. This is a critical part of the signing process. You'll find the option labeled Signature, which you should click on. Place the signature field in the appropriate location on your document where the signer will need to provide their signature. This step ensures that the document captures the necessary signatures legally and professionally. Once you've placed the signature field on your Google document and have double checked that all details are in place, you're all set. From here you can send your document out for signing, and there you have it, a simple, effective way to use Docusign to manage and sign Google documents. With these steps, you'll manage electronic signatures smoothly and efficiently, saving time and ensuring accuracy in your professional dealings. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to check out other videos for more tips on managing your documents digitally. See you next time.